As the internet and wireless technology have become increasingly popular, people have been expressing a concern over the lack of privacy. We've listened to those concerns and we've developed a solution that puts control over your privacy back in your hands. When we looked at the marketplace, what we found was that traditional encryption solutions are very expensive and too complicated. So what we aimed to do was develop a solution that was affordable, easy to install, and very easy to use. If you want to create a private tunnel using eCrypt, whether you're sending a message to a friend that's across the street or on the other side of the world, the process is exactly the same. All you need to do is send an email. That email contains a handshake, and once the handshake is complete, every single message after that point is encrypted. We recognize that people already have a strong desire for privacy. We whisper, we shred documents, we lock our doors. There is no reason why encryption shouldn't be a part of our everyday lives. And the beauty of eCrypt is that it allows you to encrypt your messages without doing anything differently than you do today.